How to manage your box on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage your box on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy and then click settings, and now go down and here you will find this one, activity log, and click this one, interactions, and click this one, box, and here you can manage your box on Facebook mobile. It's easy, of course. I don't have any box, that's why there's nothing here. And anyway, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.